Hello users, in this video we will understand how to use the category and payment mode feature available in CashBook app. Let's start by selecting a book. I have selected the book Transportation. This is the book and this is my selection. So I'll start off with doing a cash out entry. I'll tap on cash out. I'll put the amount as 600 rupees and the remark would be toll paid at Nasik. Now we get the category feature. So it will help you categorize your entry better. You can keep track of expenses in a more detailed way from now onwards. You have to tap on category and see if any of the suggested categories match your requirements. If yes, great. If not, you can add a new category. Tap on add new category, and because the 600 bucks I entered was paid for toll, so I'll add a new category called tolls and I'll save it. We can select tolls from this option and we are done. The second beneficial feature we have added in CashBook is of payment modes. You can also categorize how you paid for this transaction. So you paid it via cash, online or show more. So we have some suggested options as well. Phone Pay, Paytm, Google Pay, bank account, net banking, etc. etc. So we paid this toll via FASTag and we do not have that option here. So we will add a new payment mode and we will tag it as FASTag. Here we go. We have saved the same. So now you can tap on FASTag and save. So this is how you will use category and payment mode feature, and it will help you understand your entries in a better detailed manner. Now we will get to learn about how to rename or delete categories and payment modes. So what we need to do is tap on these three dots, tap on book settings, tap on entry field settings, and here you get the option to rename, delete, reorder, add a new category. We'll go inside this. So we give you an additional option. From here you can turn off categories. If you don't want to put in category after every entry, if it's tiresome for you or if it's not required, you can turn this off and you won't have to. And if you want to, you can turn it on. You can also add new categories from this tab by adding. So another option we give you is to import from other books. Tap on this. If you have created a category in another of your books and you want the same categories in this book, you can tap and see. You can select and deselect. Right now we are not importing categories, so we'll go back. Yes, so the option is how to rename and delete a category. So we have added fuel. We will tap on three dots. We get the rename and delete option. Similarly, for all the three categories available, we can rename or delete them. Let's go back and see what we can do with payment modes. So payment mode also you get the same option. If you don't want to enter the payment mode, you can turn this off and it won't bug you. You'll get the option. You want to add new payment mode, you can add it from here as well, like we did.